Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is all about addition and subtraction of rational algebraic expressions with dissimilar denominators. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Also, you may find different subjects in this YouTube channel. Just select the playlist section. And now, let's proceed to our main topic for today, which is all about addition and subtraction of rational algebraic expressions with dissimilar denominators. For our first example, find the sum of 3 over 2x and 5 over 3y. Since hindi pareho ang kanilang mga denominator, hindi pareho ang denominator nila, kailangan muna natin kunin ang kanilang LCD o yung tinatawag nating least common denominators. So, para makuha ang LCD, tignan natin kung ano yung factors ng 2 and 3 at x and y. So, for the solution, we have 3 over 2x plus 5 over 3y equals, hindi natin pwedeng pag-add ang dalawa. So, mag-iisip tayo ngayon na pwedeng kunin natin ang multiplication ng ang product ng 2x and 3y. At ang may isip kong number ay 6xy. Dahil 2 times 3 ay 6. And then, x and y. Pagsasamahin lang natin sila. After that, 6xy divided by 2x. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. xy divide x, makakancel yung x, so matitira na lang is y. So, i-add mo siya kay 9. Plus 6xy, divide mo siya kay 3y. So, 6 divide 3 is 2 times 5 is 10. And we have xy divide y. So, cancel yung y, matitira yung x. Okay? So, as you can see, wala na tayong operation na gagawin pa. Ito na yung ating final answer. Okay. Now, let's proceed to our next example. Our next example would be find the sum of 3 over 5x and 7 over 2x. Since hindi sila pareho ng denominator, kailangan kunin muna ang LCD or least common denominator. Since ang 5 at 2 wala ng factors, i-multiply na lang natin ang dalawa. So we have 3 over 5x plus 7 over 2x. At ang makukuha natin product ay 10. And then, ikakopy lang natin yung x. After that, ay pwede na nating i-divide. So, 10 divide 5 is 2 times 3 is 6. X divide x is 1. So, hindi na natin kailangan isulat si 1. Plus, 10 divide 2 is 5 times 7 is 35. X divide x is 1. So, hindi na natin kailangan isulat yun. 6 times plus 35 is 41 over 10x. Or, since improper siya, gagawin natin siyang mixed number. So, magiging 4 1 over 10 x. So, ito na yung final answer natin for this particular example. Okay? Now, let's have the difference. Find the difference or subtract 7 over 4x minus 3 over x squared. Again, hindi sila pareho ng denominator. So, kukunin natin yung LCD nila. 4 and 1, since wala silang factors, or same factor, so ang gagawin na lang natin, imumultiply na lang natin si 4. Okay, 1. So, makukuha natin ay 4. And then, anong degree or power ang pinakamataas sa dalawang x? Ang answer natin ay squared. That's why, ang x squared ang ating gagayahin. And then, 4 divide 4 is 1. Times 7 is 7. X squared divide x, still, meron pa rin tayong isang x na matitira. Tama? So, x, i-add mo siya kay 7. Minus 4 divide 1 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. And x squared divide x squared is 1. So, yun yung answer natin. To make it short, ito na yung final answer natin for this particular example. Kasi hindi na natin siya pwedeng i-simplify. Another example. We have 7 over 12CD and 11 over 15C squared. So, for this particular example, let's have the LCD first. 15CD and 12CD and 15C squared. Okay. Ano ang LCD ng 12 at 15? Tama. 60. Diba? 60 ang kanilang LCD. Para mas madali, pwede kong ituro sa inyo ang process na ito. Ang target natin, sila parehong maging 1 sa huli. So, pareho silang divisible by 3. 3 divide 12 is 4, and 3 divide 5 is 15. 3 divide 15 is 5. And then 4 divide 4 is 1, cannot be, so copy. And finally, 5, copy 1, and then 1. So, ang target natin na maging 1 silang pareho ay na-accomplish. Then, 3 times 4 is 12. 12 times 5 is 60. That's why, ang kanilang LCD ay 60. And then, meron tayong C at saka C squared. Alin ang pinakamataas na power? Tama. C squared ang ating gagayahin. May katambal ba si D sa kabila? Wala. So, kokopyahin lang natin siya. And then, 60 divide 12 is 5. 5 times 7 is 35. And then, C squared D, CD. Kung i-divide ko siya sa C squared D and CD, pwede kong makancel yan, may matitira pang isa. So, yung C ilalagay ko kay 35. Minus 60 divide 15 is 4. Times 11 is 44. Then, C squared D divide C squared. So, pwede ko na i-cancel C squared. So, matitira na lang is letter D. That's why, for the final answer in this particular example, we have 35C minus 44D all over 60C squared D. hindi na natin siya pwedeng i-simplify. Yan na yung ating final answer. Okay? So that's all about for the addition and subtraction of rational algebraic expressions with the similar denominators. With that, thank you very much for listening.